Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to talk about mixed reality, a video posted by Microsoft. So I watched the video myself, personally from this channel, right, from the Microsoft Verify channel. And then a few hours later the video was deleted. And I was like, hey, why did you delete the video? So I said, okay, I'm gonna make some research and see what's going on. Right, so yes, you can find the video online, here on this YouTube channel anymore. So I went to Twitter to search what's going on, and then I found a screenshot. I noticed that the video had huge dislikes, 22,000 dislikes and 600 likes. And I was wondering, I was like, hey, what's wrong? Why this video getting so much, hatred from people? So I did several things. I searched what mixed reality was or is, and I noticed that hey, it's a cool technology. And I also searched what the life is, and then I searched uh, who is Marina Abramović. So here's what I got. Now, if you go to what's it called? This is Wikipedia to search about Marina Abramović. Now, here's what you will get. All right, so they said she pioneered a new notion of identity, a new notion of identity that reminds us of who? Bill Gates, ID 2020, by bringing in the participation of observers, focusing on confronting pain, blood, and physical limits of the body. Thus, take note of the key word. So she's a what? Grandmother of performance of arts. Now, put that in your head. Read about her controversy. You notice that she has some issues. People trying to call her that she's linked to occultism and satanic. And also, I said, okay, let me make some picture research, and then I searched her name on Google, and then I saw some mind blowing pictures, such as this picture and some other related pictures. Now, guess what, guys? So while doing some research about the lady, right? So I noticed a keyword that was always used with her, which is spirit cooking. So I said, okay, let me search about spirit cooking. Now, these are the pictures that are linked up with spirit cooking, right? These are the pictures that are linked up with spirit cooking. Now, guess what? So I went back to Twitter to search what spirit cooking is, to see, is anyone talking about spirit cooking? And guess what I found? Will you trust Microsoft to inject foreign objects into your body after the spirit cooking advert? Okay. Dancing, okay. Marina Abramović, celebrity, blah 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 blah. Install with of new Microsoft ad. So, this lady right here. Now, this is the Microsoft ad. I'm going to play it.
It's art without objects. This is just pure transmission of energy.
Okay, you heard that, pure transmission of energy. Now, that is what we read in our Wikipedia page. Right, so now here's the summary of the whole talk. This lady, who is the Marina lady that is linked to satanic stuff, was in Microsoft's latest ad that has to do with technology. Now, Microsoft features Marina Abramović in the latest promo of mixed reality. Mixed reality is a technology, artist expression. The spirit cooking, which we saw spirit cooking, which openly worships Satan and engages in mock cannibalistic rituals. Now, let's find out what this person is saying, if it's true or not. All right, so we're on YouTube to find out if what they're saying about her is true. But as you can see, this is YouTube channel. That's a YouTube Microsoft channel on YouTube, at the verified channel, and that video is not there anymore. It has been deleted. Why was it deleted? Now, if you go back to my tweets, you'll notice the video had what, 22,000 dislikes, and the comments were turned off. And then a few hours later, the video got deleted. Well, let's find out who this woman really is. I'm going to play a video for you. This video was done in 2009, and we'll check out the comment. Now, see. Now, hold on. This is not the original speed of the video. I had to increase it by 2 times. All right, so let's see. There she is, writing something on the wall. What's written? Mix fresh breast milk with fresh sperm. Sperm, the sperm that that comes out of a man's, yeah. All right, so that's one part. Right, so here's another part. Cut deeply into the finger. That's blood. Okay, that's symbol of the blood. Okay. With a sharp knife, cut deeply into the middle finger of your left hand. It's the pain. What does that mean? And what is this little guy here? Now let's see what she's going to do with that little guy. Let's see if I can fast forward to that side. Here's another one. Fresh morning urine sprinkle over nightmare dreams. What is that? Now this is the same lady that was used in an ad for Bill Gates. Let's keep watching, please. Here's another one. Spin around until you lose consciousness. Try to eat all the questions of the day. What does that mean? Okay, that's what they're using to paint on the wall. So whatever that stuff is, they are pouring it on this stuff that looks like I don't know what that is. I don't want to call it what I'm thinking, but now they're pouring it around the. I don't want to play the whole video. You can actually just play this video for yourself. And something else, another video that I saw. Now this is the same lady, right? She just have snakes all over herself, and also now check this out. Now let's check the comments and see. This isn't art. This is a ritual. That's not an artistic neither. That's a witch. I'm not one of conspiracy guy. Rest in peace, countless forgotten children. This is a satanic ritual. Actually, they are hiding it as art. No wonder we are, Jesus. This lady was like, Jesus, I rebuke what I just saw. All right, so this is way back in 2009. Question everyone is asking is, why is that same lady in Bill Gates' advert for Microsoft for mixed reality? What is Bill Gates' connection with this lady? Why sign a contract with this lady to do an advert, right? So this guy said this is a kick in the balls to humanity. This lady is a well-known witch, spirit cooking, and Bill Gates, creator of Microsoft and Events 201. I've been talking about Events 201 within the past 2 days. He's publicly sponsoring her. These hands are literally stained with your blood, and they are guys. See, just go online, right? Search Events 201, right? Search spirit cooking, search ID 2020, and then tell me what you find, right? Also, I have a video. You guys might want to check it out. If you don't have the time to research what ID 2020 is what Events 201 is, what all these things are. I've done a video that sums up everything in this particular one, and the title of the video is what Pastor Chris Oyakhilome said about 5D that everyone is not paying attention to. We are all paying attention to the wrong things. These guys are trying to distract us. I'll drop a link in the description so you guys can check it out, right? Now also, in case I'm wrong, just tell me why they had to use, in quotes, a witch, and they're using her for the advert. Now, why did they delete the video? Question number 2. Come on. All right, that's it, guys.